I am not aware. I am not aware. But one more thing I just want to mention. The other day on, I have told the DFDA, lot of illegally ketamine is being sold in the state of Goa. DFDA, however much they tell me, I am refusing to believe. Lot of young children and lot of ketamine is getting circulated in rave parties. Lot of ketamine is getting circulated. I am coming down heavily on any pharmacy if it doesn't keep I will directly not look at the law or anything. Directly take the strictest action against pharmacies that are selling ketamine. And lot of things are being sold, I am told, on the coastal belt. So as a result, this ketamine also, and media also, I request all the members of the media, if you all come to know anything about the sale of ketamine, just WhatsApp me, I can take immediate steps. And I'll tell you, this ketamine is a big business. So I don't know what information is coming to me today is the right information or masked information is coming. I have full faith in the director of FDA, but same time I'm going to put a team now to survey, create total this thing in the coastal belt on this availability of ketamine. You must be aware, when I was a minister last time, there was a hospital in Kalangut. There was a private hospital in Kalangut where he was quietly giving ketamine without prescription. Now, such instances are happening, not happening, I have to see. It's a veterinary product, but then children are using this ketamine. So that day I got a WhatsApp from somebody saying that ketamine is being, but ketamine, be rest assured, ketamine is on my hit list. Any pharmacy has to be careful when selling ketamine. And also we have told pharmacies and all, any scheduled drug without any prescription, action will be, directly I will get the license suspended. Whoever they can bring influence from anybody, it will not work. But prescription, we are now, what after discussing with Honorable Chief Minister, what he has said, before you make an announcement and give them 30 days to come online. After 30 days, you crack the whip. It should not be that, I am making it through your forum. I am making aware, as far as ketamine is concerned, this is on our hit list. We will not encourage any of this illegal sale of ketamine, which used to happen earlier. But suddenly now this ketamine word has started spreading. You must have also come to know it is again spreading again, and it is used, and it is like a anesthetic drug, and you get a different type of kick out of it. Many times, you must have heard serious cases have happened where abuse has happened.